everyone, I am Nidhi from Edureka and I welcome you back to Edureka's YouTube channel. Today we are diving into one of the topics shaping the future, that is generative AI. In this session, we will uncover the pros and cons of generative AI, how it's revolutionizing the industry, unlocking new possibilities and the challenges we need to tackle to use it responsibly. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated on latest tech content from Edureka. Also remember to check out Edureka's website for our training and certification courses. The link is in the description box below. So now let's outline what we will cover in this video. In this video, we will explore the generative AI, what is it and how it works, from creating text and images to transforming the industries. Next, we will look at the real-life rewards, how it's boosting the creativity, automating tasks, and helping fields like healthcare, businesses, and entertainment. But AI isn't perfect. We will then discuss the ethical challenges and risks like misinformation, bias, and job displacement. Then we will talk about the ethics of generative AI, how we can use it responsibly and ensure the fairness. Finally, we will look at the future of generative AI, where it's headed and what it means for us. So now let's get started. Let's talk about generative AI, but before we dive deep, it's important to understand how AI, machine learning, deep learning, and generative AI are connected. At the broadest level, we have artificial intelligence or AI. AI refers to ability of machine to mimic human intelligence. Things like decision making, learning from experience, or even recognizing the speech or images. Essentially, AI enables machine to think and act in a way that resembles human behavior. But AI itself is a vast field. One of its most important branches is machine learning or ML. Machine learning takes AI a step further. Instead of programming machine explicitly, ML allows them to learn from the data and improve their performance automatically. This means the more data we provide, the better machine gets at making predictions or identifying the patterns. Now within machine learning, there's even more specialized area known as deep learning. So deep learning is a subset of machine learning that mimics the way human brain processes information. It uses neural networks to analyze vast amount of data and make highly accurate predictions. This is the technology behind advanced AI application, self-driving cars, facial recognition, and of course generative AI. So now that we have understood how AI, machine learning, and deep learning are connected, let's dive deeper into fascinating area within deep learning, that is generative AI. Generative AI is a subset of deep learning, and as the name suggests, it's all about creating new content. Unlike traditional AI models that classify or predict based on the existing data, generative AI learns the pattern from vast dataset and produces entirely new outputs. This includes generating images, text, music, or even human-like conversation. For example, if you have seen AI-generated artwork, text-based chatbots like ChatGPT, or AI-composed music, you have already witnessed generative AI in action. So now that we understand what generative AI is, let's take a look at some popular tools that bring it into life. For text generation, we have ChatGPT, Jasper, and Gemini. If you are into AI-generated images, Midjourney and DALL-E are leading the way. For music generation, we have Edureka. Developers can boost their coding productivity with GitHub Copilot and Qwen 2.5 Max. We also have DeepSeek, an AI research model, and on the more controversial side, Deepfake, which is used for AI-generated videos. These are just few examples. Generative AI is evolving rapidly and shaping the future of creativity and automation. So now that we have seen the tools, let's explore the real-life rewards of generative AI. The first one is it automates and innovates the content generation. AI-driven tools create high-quality text, images, and videos, revolutionizing the content creation across the industry. It optimizes the product designs. AI enhances the product development by stimulating the refining designs, reducing cost and time to market. The next one is strengthens the cybersecurity efforts. AI detects and analyzes the threats against the cyber attacks. The next one is advances healthcare research. AI accelerates the drug discovery, medical imaging analysis, and personalized treatment plans, improving the patient's outcome. And the last one is drives digital transformation. AI integrates with businesses' systems to automate the workflows, enhance the decision making, and optimize the operational efficiency. So now let us look at some real-life examples. Recently, Walmart, in collaboration with Microsoft, announced a major AI-driven initiative. Walmart has partnered with Microsoft to integrate AI-powered solutions into retail operations. This collaboration aims to enhance both customer experience and employee efficiency by leveraging the advanced AI tools. So, what are the main benefits of AI-driven initiative? Here are some key points. The first one is personalized shopping experience. The next one is AI-powered associate support. The next one is content creation automation. Next on we have improved customer service. And last but not the least, operational efficiency. So this partnership showcases how AI is revolutionizing retail, making businesses smarter, faster and more customer-centric. So now let's look at another exciting real-world application of AI, but this time it is the field of medicine. Scientists at Stanford had developed a tool called Synthemol, which is helping to create new antibiotics to fight drugs. This is a huge breakthrough because antibiotic resistance is a major global health challenge. So what has this AI tool achieved so far? Here are some key points. Scientists use Synthemol to design antibiotics that can fight resistant bacteria. It generated 25,000 possible antibiotics candidates, giving researchers a massive head start. It provided detailed recipes for making these drugs efficiently in the lab. Out of all candidates, scientists identified 6 compounds that actually work against the resistant bacteria. This technology isn't just limited to antibiotics, it's now being used to explore the treatments of heart disease and even fluorescent module design. So this is a game changer in medicine, providing that AI can do much more than just chatbots and automation. It can literally help to save a life. So now we have seen how AI is transforming the industry, but it also comes with an ethical challenges and risk. Let's take a look. One big issue is output quality. AI can produce incorrect or unreliable results. It can also generate made-up facts and hallucinations, creating false information. Another concern is biased output, where AI reflects biasness from its training data. There are also copyright and other legal risks. AI-generated content might violate the intellectual property laws. AI is also vulnerable to abuse, meaning it can be misused for misinformation and harmful purpose. Lastly, the cost of expertise and compute makes AI expensive and less accessible. These challenges highlight the need for responsible AI development. So now that we have seen the ethical challenges of generative AI, let's look at some real-life examples where these risks have had significant impact. Recently, a report highlighted that DeepSeek's AI app is openly sending users' data from US to China. This has raised major concerns, especially in the light of past controversies surrounding the data security and privacy. This incident had drawn attention to ethical and security risks. This situation brings us several key challenges. The first one is data transmission to China. User data being directly sent raises concerns about the privacy and the control. The next one is lack of transparency. Users may not be fully aware of where their data is going and how it is being used. The next one is government scrutiny. Authorities may impose regulations or restrictions due to national security concerns. The next one is global backlash. Countries worldwide might be stricter against AI platforms handling the sensitive data. The next one is potential exploitation of third parties. There is a risk that collected data could be misused or shared with the other entities without consent. So now let's look at another major challenge, data leaks and their consequences. Recently, a report from Business Insider revealed that Amazon warned its employees not to share confidential data with ChatGPT. The concern arose after some AI-generated responses were found to closely match Amazon's internal information, highlighting the risk of sensitive data leaks. Such incidents bring several serious risks, for example, data privacy concern, intellectual property exposure, unintended data retention, regulatory compliance issues, and erosion of customer trust. So this case with Amazon is just one example of why companies must carefully manage the AI interaction to prevent the potential data leaks and security violations. So now let's look at another major risk of generative AI that's making headlines worldwide. That is deepfake. Deepfakes are one of the biggest risks of generative AI. AI-generated fake videos, audios, and images can be misused in dangerous ways. Scammers use them for fraud, identity theft, and misinformation, leading to financial losses and manipulations. Fake videos of public figures spread false narratives, while AI-generated explicit content violates the privacy. As deepfakes become more advanced, they are eroding trust in media and creating serious ethical challenges. While deepfakes highlights the dangers of generative AI, it's very important for us to focus on how we can develop and use AI ethically to minimize these risks. Ethical generative AI ensures that the technology benefits the society while preventing the harm. To achieve this, we must focus on key principles. The first one is transparency and accountability to ensure that the AI systems are open and responsible, bias and fairness to prevent the discrimination, privacy protection to safeguard the user data. Additionally, AI should prioritize avoiding harmful content and give users consent and control over how their data is used. By implementing these principles, we can build a future where generative AI is both powerful and ethical. So now that we have explored the ethical aspect of generative AI, let's look ahead and discuss what the future holds for the technology. The future of generative AI is filled with exciting possibilities. We can expect wider adoption across industries, transforming the field like healthcare, finance, and entertainment. AI will continue to enhance creativity and content generation, making it a valuable tool for artists, writers, and businesses. With the advancement, better customization will allow AI to generate more personalized experience. At the same time, human-AI collaboration will grow, enabling more seamless interaction. A key focus will be on responsible AI development, ensuring stronger ethical frameworks and regulations to create the safer and more trustworthy AI-driven future. So with this, we come to an end of our video. I hope you have enjoyed listening to this video. Please be kind enough to like it, and you can comment down any of your doubts and queries. We will reply them at the earliest. Do look out for more videos in our playlist and subscribe to Edureka's channel to learn more. Happy learning!